Hello, in front of me I've got FC26. In this video I'll show you how to change your Ultimate Team tactics. In the beginning, let's enter squad in your Ultimate Team and press L3 button. Go to Tactics, and here you've got default tactics, and next you can import new tactic using code. Or you can create tactic. Name it, edit tactic, and here you can select preset between FC, direct play, cautious, custom. Next you can change formation, build-up style and defensive approach. In the end, you can adjust player roles. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.